Dropshipping remains one of the easiest and most scalable ways to earn online. In 2025, it's crucial to use smart strategies to accelerate growth and income. To succeed, target emerging, profitable niches with growing demand but low competition. Tools like Google Trends and trend watching help you spot upcoming trends. Find niches where demand is high but competition remains manageable. Your store's design and functionality play a huge role in your success. Ensure your website is mobile responsive and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and compelling product descriptions. Display reviews and ratings to build trust and boost conversions. Automating processes lets you save time and scale faster. Use tools like Oberlo or Spocket to automatically fulfill orders from suppliers. Paid ads are key to driving traffic to your store. In 2025, use them wisely. Partner with influencers who have smaller, engaged followings for higher ROI. Run giveaways to generate buzz and attract new customers. Customers expect fast, affordable shipping, especially in 2025. Work with suppliers closer to your target market to reduce shipping times. Branding sets you apart from the competition. Keep your logo, color scheme, and messaging consistent across platforms. Having a broad product selection helps your store stay relevant. Test a variety to find your best sellers. Ensure your store looks great and functions smoothly on mobile. Use mobile-friendly themes to adapt to different screen sizes. In 2025, it requires more than just setting up a store. By focusing on the right niche, you can skyrocket your income.